The 2025 DS3 is what happens when the French decide to get fancy with a compact SUV. And you know what? It's interesting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into this style-focused crossover that's trying to bring some Parisian flair to your daily drive. First impressions? The DS3 looks like nothing else on the road. That massive grille with chrome detailing, those sharp LED lights, and all that gloss black trim, it's definitely eye-catching. Whether that's good or bad depends on your taste, but you can't deny it stands out in a parking lot full of cookie-cutter crossovers. Under the hood, things are pretty straightforward. You get a 1.2-liter turbo 3-cylinder engine with either 101 or 131 horsepower. We tested the more powerful version and well, it's not winning any drag races. 0 to 60 takes 9.2 seconds, which is fine for grocery runs, but don't expect to win any stoplight Grands Prix. The 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's just say it takes its sweet time making decisions. On the bright side, we managed to get 44 miles per gallon in mixed driving, which is pretty impressive. Pop open the door and things get even more French. The interior is absolutely swimming in diamond shapes. They're everywhere. The touch controls, the door-mounted air vents. Yes, they're in the doors, and pretty much anywhere else DS could squeeze them in. It's unique, I'll give them that. You get some nice materials up top with leather and Alcantara in the performance line models, but there's still too much hard plastic lurking down low. Now, let's talk tech. You're looking at a 10.3-inch infotainment screen and a 7-inch digital gauge cluster. The screens look sharp enough, but the software feels like it's from 2020. It's laggy, and the menus will have you reaching for the wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto pretty quickly. Space-wise, it's a bit of a mixed bag. Up front, no problems. Good headroom, decent legroom, you're golden. But the back seats? That's where things fall apart. The weirdly shaped rear windows make it feel like a cave back there, and legroom is tight. The trunk? At 350 liters, it's smaller than pretty much every competitor. The Volkswagen T-Roc gives you 445 liters, and the Ford Puma offers a whopping 456. Here's where things get interesting. Around town, the DS3 is actually pretty great. The steering is light, it's easy to park, and the suspension soaks up city potholes like a champ. But take it on the highway or a curvy back road and it's a different story. There's more wind and road noise than you'd expect from a premium car. And through the corners, well, let's just say it leans. A lot. Price-wise, you're looking at £27,200. That's about $34,500 to start, which puts it in an interesting spot. It's cheaper than an Audi Q2, but more expensive than a Skoda Kamiq. The question is, what are you paying for? Here's the bottom line. The DS3 is like that designer outfit that looks amazing, but isn't the most comfortable thing to wear. It's got style for days and works great in the city, but it asks you to compromise on practicality, refinement, and user-friendliness. If you want something different, something that makes a statement, and you don't need to haul around adults in the back seats regularly, maybe it's worth a look. But if you're after the most practical, refined, or best-driving compact SUV, you might want to check out the Volkswagen T-Roc or Audi Q2 instead. The DS3 is definitely interesting, and that's exactly what some buyers are looking for. Just make sure you can live with its quirks before committing to this French fashion statement on wheels. What do you think about the DS3? Would you pick French style over German practicality? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.